To start off reading in our distance learning journey, we are going to be using Scholastic, something called BookFlix. It is a really cool program. Each day there is a fiction book, a book that tells a story and has characters and a setting, and a nonfiction book, a book that gives information. So for Monday, our fiction story is called Diary of a Spider. You can watch the story by pressing here, or you can go over here and press watch the story. Our nonfiction book is A Spiderling Grows Up. You can press read the book here, or you can go over here and press read the book. When you're done, under puzzlers, there are some activities like the activities we do during reading rotations when we do word work. So here's a word match, fact or fiction, and which came first. When you're done with that, you can dive deeper by exploring the web by pressing here, or meeting the creators, where you learn about the authors of the books. Remember, reading is super important. Practicing reading as much as you can is so important for your learning. So after you're done with this, you can read books that you have at your house, or you can go on Epic Books and read more. Enjoy!